सभी लोगों को नमस्कार, हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं पीएफआई को, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। अभी उन्होंने बताया है। पूरी टीम को पोल्ट्री इंडिया आईपामा के तरफ से बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड आगे के फ्यूचर एंडेवर के लिए और अच्छे काम ऐसे करते रहें और हमारे पोल्ट्री फ्रेटर्निटी को आगे बढ़ाते रहें। आई वुड गिव माई प्रेजेंटेशन इन इंग्लिश, देन हमने हिंदी में भी बनाया है। Respected office bearers, Ranpal Dhanda ji, President, Sanjeev Gupta ji, Vice President, HQ, Ravinder Singh Sidhu ji, Secretary, Ricky Thapar ji, Joint Secretary, Rahul Khatri ji, Treasurer, respected members of Executive Committee, Zonal President, Vice President and esteemed members of Poultry Federation of India, and every member of the media, distinguished guests, friends and from the poultry fraternity. It is indeed an honor and pleasure to be here today among stalwarts and friends who have tirelessly worked for the growth and unity of India's poultry fraternity. Just 2 days back, on 6th October, we IPAMA Poultry India had the privilege of hosting a grand curtain raiser and national media gathering in New Delhi, making the beginning of 17th edition of Poultry India Expo 2025. The response we received from the media, government representatives and industry stakeholders clearly reflect the growing stature and collective spirit of our poultry sector. This year, the edition to be held on 25th to 28th November, HITEX, Hyderabad, promised to the biggest event of this year, with 500 exhibitors from 50 countries, 50,000 visitors, 7 state-of-art halls spread over 35,000 square meters. It will be truly a celebration of India's poultry excellency and global leadership. In 16th Poultry Edition, we have 400 exhibitors representing more than 35 countries, and we welcomed around 40,000 visitors from India and abroad. This Knowledge Day, held on 26 November, featured 7 eminent speakers and drew participation from 1,500 delegates. The Knowledge Day shared during the event has a tangible positive impact on the ongoing growth and modernization of India's poultry sector, empowering farmers, veterinarians, industry professionals and global insight and innovations. The resounding success of 2024 Poultry India edition has laid a strong foundation for what promises to be an even greater and more impactful 17th edition of this year. In 2025, IPAMA Poultry India demonstrates strong leadership and collaboration through a wide range of impact tentative. We hosted major conferences such as Livestock and Poultry Development in Northeast Asia, India, supported national events like Vice Chancellor's Meet in Lonavala, Pune, the Poultry Summit in Chandigarh, and number of technical seminars, academic conclave, and international partnership. We actively promoted innovation, education, and sustainability across the country by bridging the gap between the academia and poultry farmers and industry stakeholders. Our efforts were recognized nationally when IPAMA Poultry India was honored as a top industry catalyst at the Exhibition Excellency Award 2025, a proud moment for all of us in the poultry fraternity. Through strategic engagements with government bodies, media, overreach capacity building initiative across Telangana, Maharashtra and other states, we contribute and strengthen industry stalwarts, enhance public awareness and drive the sustainable growth of the poultry ecosystem in India. International government official delegation making a major milestone in this international outreach of 17th edition of Poultry India. At national front, our network now includes 39 national supporting associations from all over India, with 12 new members joining us this year. Additionally, our media partners have grown to include 6 international magazines and 9 more through strategic barter agreements, further strengthening our global visibility and engagements. Our vision for this year Expo aligns with the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji of Vision Bharat 2047, a developed, self-reliant and global respected India. Through the Poultry India platform, we aim to strengthen the poultry sector contribution to the national vision of fostering innovation, sustainability, and global partnership. The Poultry India Expo is not just an exhibition, it is a moment that brings together farmers, entrepreneurs, breeders, feed manufacturers, veterinarians, policymakers, and students under one roof to share ideas, build collaboration, and shape the future of industry. Friends, as we move forward together, I take this opportunity to invite each and every one of you, poultry farmers, breeders, feed manufacturers, veterinarians, entrepreneurs, students, policymakers, to join us at Hyderabad 25th to 28th this November for the 17th edition of Poultry India. Let's come together, celebrate, innovate, share knowledge, and shape the future. Together we can strengthen and grow our poultry expo sector. Together we can make Poultry India Expo a grand successful. विस्तार में बोलना यही है कि हम लोग पोल्ट्री इंडिया जो हमारा उद्देश्य है, हमारा पोल्ट्री सेक्टर को डेवलप करने, हर पोल्ट्री सेक्टर, फीड मैन्युफैक्चरर, ब्रीडर्स, ये लोग अपना जो प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पर विजिबल करते हैं वो आउटरीच हो, लोगों के तरफ पहुँचे और हर आदमी को उसका फ़ायदा उठा पाए. पोल्ट्री इंडिया का यही उद्देश्य रहा है और हम पोल्ट्री इंडिया भी एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. यही पैसा हम लोग हमारे इंडस्ट्री को ही देते हैं और हमारे इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ाते हैं. हम लोग भी कोई हमारे जो स्टाफ के अलावा कोई भी डायरेक्टर्स या हमारी कमेटी मेंबर्स इसमें कोई फ़ायदा उठाती नहीं है. और ये एग्जीबिशन सिर्फ और हमारे अपने पोल्ट्री कम्युनिटी को डेवलप करने के लिए, सबका ही उद्देश्य, सब लोगों का एक ही है, हमारा देश बलवान हो. हमारा एक ही एम है जो हमको, हमारा सस्टेनेबिलिटी. तो हम लोग सब मिलके एक ही काम करेंगे, हमारे देश को बढ़ाएंगे. अभी मैं हिंदी में प्रेजेंटेशन आप देख सकते हैं जो हमारा पोल्ट्री इंडिया कर रहा है. कैन वी हैव द ऑडियो प्लीज?
India's poultry industry is on an extraordinary journey, evolving through stronger biosecurity, sustainable nutrition automation, and cutting-edge technologies. The Poultry India Expo, which has evolved into South Asia's biggest poultry expo, isn't just an exhibition. It's a launchpad for innovation, expansion, and global partnerships. After the resounding success of our 16th edition, where over 40,000 visitors and more than 400 exhibitors came together, we are ready to raise the bar even higher in 2025. South Asia's biggest poultry expo. Bigger, better, smarter in 2025. This year we are expecting over 45,000 visitors with 500 plus exhibitors from more than 50 nations. All spread across 35,000 square meters in 7 world-class halls at Hitex, Hyderabad. Yes, the sector faces challenges: volatile raw materials, sustainability pressures, disease management. And that's exactly why this platform matters, to bring the brightest minds, the latest technologies, and the most impactful solutions together. Biosecurity and sustainability are not options. They are the building blocks of tomorrow's poultry industry. Knowledge Day on November 25th is the intellectual powerhouse of the expo. Last year, over 1,500 delegates joined in. This year, we dive deeper: emerging diseases, sustainable feed, manure management, automation, and talent development. Knowledge meets opportunity. November 25 to 28, Hyderabad. At its core, the expo is about connections. It's where knowledge meets opportunity, where partnerships are forged, investments flow, and new markets open up. Hitex Exhibition Center in Hyderabad remains the perfect stage. 7 state-of-the-art halls, world-class infrastructure, and seamless connectivity to drive transformation through innovation, collaboration, and shared knowledge. As India moves forward, under the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the poultry sector stands at the forefront of sustainability, driving not just food security but true self-sustainability. And under this year's theme, with our industry show, Poultry India Expo, we unite the entire poultry ecosystem on one powerful platform. This expo is for everyone: farmers, breeders, integrators, manufacturers, researchers, entrepreneurs, and students. India's poultry sector is no longer just catching up with the world. It is ready to lead. Join us at the 17th Poultry India Expo, South Asia's biggest poultry expo, during November 25th to 28th, 2025 at Hitex, Hyderabad. Together, let's shape the future of India's poultry sector and position our nation as a true global poultry powerhouse. Join the movement, building India as a global poultry powerhouse.
Thank you for watching, and I hope all of you will support Poultry India. We are making it much bigger, better, and a wonderful Poultry India. It is for the development of poultry, whether it's Poultry Federation of India or Poultry India. They mean only one thing, development of poultry in India. Our reason is only one thing, that the poultry community, the poultry should develop. तो इसी से मैं विराम लेता हूँ. Thank you so much, all of you. Please make sure to visit Poultry India on 25th onwards at Hyderabad. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.